Good day to all the attendees, to all the viewers of this presentation. This presentation is about the usefulness of hotel management as a career after having completed class 12. This presentation is also about why you should take admission in IHM Meerut. What are the USP? What is the unique selling point of IHM Meerut? Before I proceed any further, let me please introduce the panel to you. In the panel, we have Mr. Sanjay Kashyap. Mr. Sanjay Kashyap, please raise your hand. Mr. Sanjay Kashyap is the Dean of IHM Meerut, and he is the senior most faculty of all. Mr. Sanjay Kashyap has a track record of 15 years in IHM Meerut, if I'm not wrong. Next in line is Mr. Saurabh Chandra. Mr. Saurabh Chandra is also a very senior faculty of IHM Meerut. He is a full professor and HOD of the Allied. We have with us Mr. Ashish Tyagi. Mr. Ashish Tyagi is the coordinator of our college, a very senior person with a huge industry experience and a huge academic experience. We also have with us Mr. Azhar Hussain. Mr. Azhar Hussain is also a coordinator. He is also a very senior person with international experience, both in teaching as well as in the industry. We have with us Mr. Abhishek Charles Peter. Mr. Abhishek Charles Peter is the coordinator for online courses, for online studies. He is the expert on and the brain behind this presentation. We also have with us Chef Sanjay Tyagi. Chef Sanjay Tyagi is a master baker. He has enormous amount of practical experience. He is postgraduate, he is very well educated, and I am so happy to have such a team with us that we can really put up a nice show and try to convince you that hotel management is indeed a very good career choice, and that IHM Meerut is an ideal place. If you decide to do hotel management, then you should aspire to do hotel management from IHM Meerut. Having introduced the panel, let me now tell you something about myself. My name is Chef Professor Anand Mittal. I am a chef, basically, and now since I have become a teacher, I have also added the title of professor. I have a total of 32 years of experience, 12 years in the industry and 20 years. I am associated with IHM Meerut since 1998. Then I left the institute for a little while, and now again I joined IHM Meerut about 3 years ago. I am the principal of IHM Meerut, and I am so blessed that we have such a nice team of faculty associated with us. I can tell you that IHM Meerut gave me a very good career, a very sustained career from the last 32 years. So I must say that you should blindly follow and begin the registration process immediately. Let me tell you a little bit about the admission procedure. As I just showed you, the admissions are open now. Last date for admission is 30th of June. I sincerely request you to apply now. The procedure for applying will be, please go to our website www.ihmmeerut.com. There is a form. Please fill the form, send it to us. The third step is reserve your seat by paying us 400 rupees as registration fees and 10,000 rupees as token amount. And the fourth point is take a screenshot of your registration and send it to 860 600, the number which was flashed before. We'll show it to you again. (8006001083) or 99173-07117, or just call or email at info@ihmmeerut.com. Our institute is ranked #1 in North India by several agencies: GHRDC, Competition Success Review, and Jagran Josh. Not only this year, not only last year, but consecutively from the last at least 10 years, we are ranked as among the top institutes. You can see a photograph of our Joint Secretary, sir. He is receiving an award from Honorable Vice President of India, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Jagran Josh. Let me tell you a little bit about IHM Meerut. IHM Meerut was established in 1987. It is owned by a trust. Chairman of the trust is Mr. Ajay Shekhar. Mr. Ajay Shekhar has been serving the trust since 1987, and he is the brain behind everything. The institute has its head office in Meerut, Kent, and the institute is located in Daurala. We have a very strong alumni network all over the world. They keep in touch with IHM and play a very important role in the career of the students. So wherever a student goes for jobs, there is already a person senior to him sitting there who acts as a mentor and makes sure that all students of IHM Meerut get a wonderful career. There are thousands of alumni all over the world, in every hotel of the world. We recently had webinars conducted by 10 very successful alumni, and they came and they shared their knowledge with all the students, and the students gained tremendously. During the lockdown, we have not been sitting idle. We have been conducting webinars. We have been conducting self-development programs. Our faculty have regularly been taking classes from 9:30 till 4:30 p.m. every day. And in the beginning, we took classes on Saturdays and Sundays also. The alumni bring with them a lot of energy and give our students up-to-date knowledge about the industry. "30 batches have passed out successfully so far, and I must tell you that the passing percentage is very high. The kind of education that we give, is amazing. The students do not find it difficult to pass. We conduct classes, then we conduct revisions, then we do tests, then we do midterm tests, end-term tests. The course is divided into semesters, 6 monthly semesters. One of our alumni, I am reminded of one of our alumni, Mr. Chef Neeraj Tyagi. He is a pass out of 2000 batch from IHM Meerut. He is very successful. He is currently director of a 5-star hotel, food director of a 5-star hotel. He wants to say something. Chef Neeraj.
Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Tyagi. I passed out in year 2000 from IHM Meerut. Currently I'm working with Pullman and Novotel Aerocity in New Delhi as a director of culinary. Hotel industry is still one of the most fastest growing industry. There's a lot of international chain coming to India. Standalone restaurant culture is moving at a very high pace. People are opting this because it has a promising career. You got to travel so many different countries and got to meet so many people, and still growing. And you get good salaries, which makes this career as one of the most preferred one. So, thank you very much.
That was Chef Neeraj Tyagi, and I really speak from the heart when I say that it is a very good career choice, and IHM Meerut is the best college that you can ever imagine, hope for. Like I was saying, this course that we conduct is divided into 6 monthly semesters. The faculty on the panel will be talking in detail about all these things, and they will be describing it soon. I just want to touch a little bit about industrial training. Now, while I am the principal of this college, I am also responsible for the training and placement of the college. I must inform you students, aspiring students, that we have had 24 campuses in our college this year. 24 hotels came to our college and they selected all the students. Now, and some of the students have more than 3 jobs. So I must assure you that this is the shortest route to get jobs.
Hello, lovely audience. Myself, Sona Rawal, Director of Sales from the Radisson Blu Hotel, Dubai. I'm from 1996 to 1999 batch of IHM Meerut. Hotel management is definitely a great career option for various reasons. If you like to travel, I would say it gives you wing. I started my first job as a fantastic pre-opening Burj Al Arab Dubai. Then when I wanted to move to Canada, it was much easier, and within 1 year, I was working for Park Hyatt Toronto. Icing to the cake is my IHM diploma is equivalent to WS accreditation of Canada for 3 years college, as if I've done in Canada. And then if you're looking for better packages salary, better perks, or safe atmosphere, initially, yes, packages are not great, but when you grow up in the ladder, you get a lot of benefits. Whether you're looking for a job in the cruise line or airlines or hotel or hospital, doors are open for you. Roti and makan are very important, so definitely you will never be jobless. It also gives you a lot of personal grooming, so not only for professional reasons, but for your personal life as well. It's a great career choice. Good luck.
In 3 years or 4 years of your course, you will be absolutely ready to take up jobs. Our HR team consists of about 40 people who work around the year. Of these 40 people, we have Ms. Sonal Agarwal as the coordinator. She had an emergency at home, she couldn't come today. We have Mr. Sanjeev Mandal, we have Mr. Vikrant Sirohi, and then we have a team of 30 students who actively interact with the hotels, and they make sure that all our students get training in only 5-star properties, and all the final year students get jobs in wonderful places. I would like to end my speech here, and I would like to thank you all once again for coming here today. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Akhilesh Behel. I'm batch of 96, IHM Meerut. I joined IHM Meerut in the year 1993, graduated 96, and I did my industrial training at the Ambassador Hotel, Khan Market, New Delhi, Taj Group property. I did my specialization training at the Taj Mansingh Hotel, New Delhi, And then I was selected to join the Taj Air Caterers, which now is called Taj Sats, which is a joint venture between the Taj Air Catering Group and the Singapore Airlines. I worked there as a flight supervisor, handling Jet Airways. And then thereafter, I went to do my MBA, post MBA, different stints in different industries, and then got back into hospitality to work on F&B concepts, to build F&B concepts. Moved to Dubai about 16 years ago, working with different groups in different very senior leadership capacities of operations manager, general manager, COO, CEO, starting, incubating, launching new brands, new concepts, turning around business ventures, restructurings, and now I run my own hospitality management and a consulting firm called Malt and Salt Hospitality, which is based and headquartered here out of Dubai. And we do, startups, we do growth accelerations, we do restructuring.
Thank you, Director Sir, for the excellent presentation. My name is Sanjay Kashyap. I am working as Dean Academics in IHM Merit, and I am associated with IHM Merit from the last 25 years. Today, I am sharing some important points related with hospitality and tourism. Hospitality industry means comfort of the guest and warm welcome. We still follow Atithi Devo Bhava, means guest is equal to God. Hospitality industry is divided into two sectors, lodging industry and catering industry. Lodging industry means hotels, motels, resorts, dharamshalas, and catering industry means restaurants, fine dining restaurants, and cruise lines, airlines comes under catering industry or hospitality industry or QSR also. While tourism focus on destination management and marketing. In fact, both are interrelated with each other, means both are dependent on each other. Lakhs of foreign tourists visit in our country because India has rich culture and heritage. India has most of the historical monuments as well as natural attractions. For example, various hill stations, forts, monuments. India is a religious country. India has a vast potential in the domestic tourism, especially religious tourism. For example, there are various religious places in India. For example, 4 abodes of Uttarakhand like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Panch Kedar in Uttarakhand. Then Siddhi Vinayak temple in Mumbai and Kamakhya temple in Assam, and there are many others. So both industries are interrelated with each other. India has 38 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Some of the famous are Hampi Monuments, Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, and many others, and 18 biosphere reserve in India. This industry generates major foreign exchange for the country and helps to build a strong economy. Hospitality and tourism sector in India is very strong. GDP is expected to increase from rupees 15.24 lakh crores in 2017 to rupees 32 lakh crores in 2027 or 28. In 2019, 10.9 million tourists visited in our country. At the tourism point of view, India ranked the fourth. and mostly tourists visit from US, number one US, then UK, France, Germany, and Italy. So, in my view, this is the one of the best career option for the young generation. I'm saying before passing out from IHM Merit, you have job in your hand. Thank you very much.
I would like to thank Mr. Sanjay Kashyap for giving me the opportunity to take the presentation further, and Chef Professor Anand Mittal for organizing all these presentation today, and giving me the opportunity for explaining the IHM Merit as a institution for the students, for the aspirants, those who want to do the hotel management course. So as Sanjay Kashyap sir also has rightly said, the great potential of the country as a tourism. So I would say the India as a country has got a huge potential for the tourism. It is only the tip of the iceberg which is been explored so far. So it has a lot of potential to be explored. And Chef Sanjay Tyagi also has mentioned the possibility how foreign countries are opening up their hotels over here in India. New hotel openings are coming up, and the standalone restaurant culture is also gaining popularity. So it collectively make up the great opportunity for the employment. Of as far as it is concerned with the IHM Meerut, so I would like to describe about some of the departments, how where we place the students. So there are basically 4 major departments where the students are placed in their final year through the campus interviews. I would like to take you through a virtual tour of all the departments. Here, basically, we have 4 major departments. One is the food production, which deals with the preparation of the food items. And the second is the food and beverage service, which deals with the serving of the food and beverage to the customers and providing them an experience of dining. Then we have the front office department, which deals with the providing the guest rooms and the first contact for the guest, and the housekeeping department, which deals with the beautification of the hotel and keeping the place in right spirit and right manner. So this is the aerial view of the campus academic block, which we can see here. This is the main entrance, which is placed on the NH58 Delhi Dehradun Highway Road. And now we skip to the academic block from the gate number 1. So the institute has got a beautiful landscaping and beautiful grounds on all. Now we are taking the reception. This is the reception lobby, which is a huge lobby, and we conduct our front office practical with the students over here, and we do the real role plays also. Some of the student, they take a role as a guest, and other student, they take a role as a receptionist. This is our Bombay High restaurant, one of our restaurant. We have got two restaurants. So this is on the ground floor. And here we do the practicals for the students. They learn about the food and beverage service, how to do the different type of food service in different styles, how to welcome the guest to the restaurant. Now we are back to the reception area, and from here we are going now to the advanced kitchen lab, where we prepare the food dishes. This is the practical of the students going on. Here we divide the students as per the range. Here we have different range, so it is not crowded, and student gets their place and they prepare their separate dishes. So it is not a group cooking, it is individual cooking. So every group, every small 4 or 5 group of student gets a dish to prepare. This is the bakery and confectionery here. Here also we have small stations for the students to prepare the bakery items and pastry items. And this is on the first floor. This is the housekeeping department, which was telling they deal with the beautification of the hotel. So here we have the laundry machine where the students learn how to operate these machines and different tasks which is carried out by the housekeeping. For the cleaning agents, cleaning equipments, everything is placed over there in a huge quantity. So they have got all different type of modern equipments. From here we take a look at the another restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Garden View, and this restaurant is with the bar. So we have a bar, cocktail bar here, and we practice here making of cocktails and mocktails. And it is also a huge restaurant. It has got 18 tables and 72 covers in this. And a student also learn here the advanced F&B service. So this block is the practical block where we do all the practicals, and we have all the practical labs here. From here we go to the lecture halls. Here we have all the lecture halls with the PowerPoint presentation rooms. So we have the facilities of the PPT. So here we can play the videos, we can show the PPT to the student. They are equipped with the speakers, mics. This is on the first floor. We have the Director General room here. This is the computer lab. It is on the second floor and it is fully AC, and we have got enough seats. It is actually 2 parts. It is only the one part which is shown in the picture. And this is the library. It has got so many books of different discipline, different subjects. We are always updating our books here. We are getting all fresh new books. This is the AV room, audio-visual room for meetings. If we have any prominent speaker coming, or we have some presentations to show to a smaller group, and whenever we have campus interviews, we use this room for the final rounds. This is the here we go to the suite rooms. We have got the rooms also, so the students can practice how to make the bed, how to do the service, how to do the turn down service in housekeeping, how to do the cleaning, and all this stuff, how to place the amenities. So students learn with the actual room setup, and it is not only one room, there are many rooms like this. We have twin bedroom, single bedroom, so all the guest rooms available for the students to learn. This is the building just behind the academic block, the hostel building. Here, this is the inside of the hostel building. So we have this is the layout of the hostel building. We have all the rooms. Inside, this is the layout of the room for the student. They have provided the tables and the chairs. This is our mess where we are preparing fresh food and we are providing for the students. So it is all very clean. Four major departments which I had discussed. We do the practical, whatever their class timing is 9 to 5, 50% of the time we spend giving them training. So they get practical training all the time, half of their classes, and half of the time they get the theory classes. So they get intense training in all the four major departments, so they become good in their skills. So they can develop these skills and they can show. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. A very warm welcome to everyone. Thank you, Anand Mittal sir, for giving me opportunity to guide the students why they should choose hospitality as their career. So, dear students, the question that must be coming in your mind right now is why hospitality? Why not any other career? I will give you a brief outlook over the subjects, over the topics, over the training which we are giving to you in the 3 years, so that you will come to know that this is the right choice for you and this is the right time for you also. Like in today's scenario, why hospitality is required. I will tell you a brief outlook what we are teaching. Like very well told by Azhar sir, we are covering all the four departments, F&B production, in which we are taking care of kitchen as well as bakery. Then there is service department, in which we are giving training about the restaurant services. Then there is front office, obviously, reception and everything, back office, all the details of the guest, all the softwares we will be teaching you how to operate over that. And last but not the least, the main work, housekeeping. And it has become all the more important in today's world, post-COVID. Housekeeping will now be the major section in the hospitality division. So these all core subjects we will be covering. Now I will tell you some other topics, other subjects which we cover along with these. Very well told by Sanjay Kashyap sir, tourism is a major sector. We are giving intense training over travel and tourism management. Along with that, we are teaching you all the management subjects like human resource management, strategic management. Also, along with this, we are giving you basic knowledge of accounts. In accounts, we are giving you basic accounts, what accounting softwares are used in hotels. And in the end, in the third year, we are telling you financial management, how to use the money, how to get the revenue out of that money, how to utilize the finance of the company, of the hotel in the best manner. So all these subjects we are teaching you in these 3 years. So when you are well aware of all these subjects, then you are not stuck to any one department. We will be grooming you for the top management post so that you will be at manager level or general manager level at very early stage. Along with this, apart from hotel industry, there will be many avenues that will be open to you. For example, retail sector like Domino's, Pizza Hut, McD, they are open for you. In travel and tourism, SOTC is there. Then your airlines are there. Cruise line is there. Like I think the list is never ending. Once you have completed your hotel management, you can get into any of the field of hospitality of your choice, and you can do very good in that field. So I will like to end my thing with this note that the hospitality is the right choice what you must take right now, because this is the need of today. Once you are graduated with hotel management course, you can go in any field of your choice and the openings will be unlimited. Thank you.
Well, very warm good afternoon to everyone. And first of all, I would like to thank our management and our principal sir who had given me the opportunity on this platform to speak to all of you. And once we have given you the tour of everything, now exactly you know what is the tourism industry, you know what all departments we have in the hotels and how they work basically, and what is the infrastructure of our college, and on the top of it, what are the course content what we'll be teaching you. Now the question coming to your mind, when you know each and everything, how you can proceed with the admission process. Let me tell you, at IHM Meerut, we are running two courses. One is the 3 years degree and another is the 4 years degree. So first I would like to talk about the 3 years degree. It is affiliated by the National Council of Hotel Management, which is the undertake of Ministry of Tourism. And basically it's a 3 years degree. And another, we have the 4 years degree, and that we have the affiliation by the Dr. Abdul Kalam University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So to take admission in both the degrees, you need to have a prescribed percentage and you need to pass your intermediate exams. And the last date for taking admission in both the courses is 30th of June. So you can just directly contact us. The numbers are already given to you. You can email us. You can just send us a message on a WhatsApp number. And you can simply do the registration process with us. And the registration process is, you can go onto our website as well, or you can visit us. You need to fill the registration form. That will cost you 400 rupees, and then we will proceed with the admission process. So that is all I want to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhishek sir. Thank you everyone present here for giving me this platform to speak. Training and placement is the main department which helps the students of the final year to get the jobs. The main aim of the training placement department is to give career counseling to the students. The main objective of the training placement cell is to provide the students with the right set of skills and knowledge, and to help them to get the correct job which is suitable for them. IHM Meerut has training placement cell which helps in facilitating placement for the students of final year as well as industrial training for the students. So with this aim, we provide training and placement to the students. Training and placement cell consists of a large manpower, as earlier said by the director sir. It is being headed by Chef Professor Anand Mittal with a team inclusive of myself, Ms. Sonal Agarwal as Training and Placement Coordinator, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Mandal, Mr. Vikrant Suroi. We also have Hero Club, which is actively run in guidance by the student coordinators who actively participate in various placement related activities. So Hero Club, in the guidance of the able teachers, work in training placement department. Next, we have why to choose IHM Merit, because IHM Merit has been providing 100% placement records from the last 32 years. It has tie-up with leading brands like Oberoi, Taz, Hayat, Leela, ITC, Seven Seas, and many more. It provides quality education with experienced faculties. The special technical and grooming classes have been conducted for the students, and we have the experts lectures from the industry. So this is why one should choose IHM Merit. Now the job opportunities, one is very eager to know about the job opportunities which comes under the hospitality sector. The hospitality industry offers a wide job opportunity, and to bring under one roof available to a student's training placement cell is working round the clock, and it is being having collaboration with companies to come to the campus and take the interviews and place our students in the renowned chain of the hotels. Next we have is the basic set of skills required for one to be a able hotelier. Like one should have good communication skills, he should have a pleasing personality, good eye for detail. Then another very important ability is to work in fast-paced environments of the hotel and situation handling skills, which makes one an able hotelier. So these are the set of the skills we have discussed. Now another question arises, what type of career is being ahead of a hotel management graduate? Like he can work in restaurants or fast food chains, he can work as chef in hotels, he can work in cruise ship jobs, he can work in food and beverage, housekeeping, front office, food production departments. These are the core departments of the hotel. He can also work in sales and marketing. He can work in airline catering and cabin crews. He can work in event management companies. He can work in travel and tour companies. Now the hospital and industrial catering is also being emerging as a wide sector to work. He can also become an entrepreneur. So these are some of the careers ahead. We have many more. We have given the broad overview of the major ones. Next we have is the types of job offered in this. We have 3 types of job offered, like basically in a hotel, entry level in all core departments. Then we have SDP, that is supervisory development program, and the top is management training program or executive training program, in which one becomes a manager after completing his or her training. Next we have is the industrial training. Industrial training is also an important part of the curriculum. As per the course curriculum, for BSc HHA course, 17 weeks duration of industrial training is mandatory. And for BHMCT course, we have 20 weeks duration of industrial training. So industrial training is an important part of the curriculum, and one should complete its industrial training to become a successful hotelier ahead. Next we have is the group of companies which visited our campus last year. First, I've been talking about the Oberoi's. It has been coming every year and hiring the students at different levels. The next we have is, again, we have the Oberoi's, it is a panel. Then we have Taj Group of Hotels, which is visiting our campus and hiring the students. These are 2 renowned chains, very well renowned chains, everybody knows them. The next we have the Leela Group of Hotels, which is coming, and it hired a lot number of people, as you have been seeing in the picture the last year. The next we have is Lemon Tree Group. Lemon Tree Group under the executive training program had many number of peoples last year. The next we have is Radisson MBD. Radisson MBD has been a chain of hotels, and it has been hiring and taking the students from our campus every year. Next we have is the Surya. So this is the long chain that it has been coming to our campuses. Next, I'd like to talk about the special classes that has been conducted by the Training and Placement Cell to prepare our students, like taking mock interviews and preparing them for the final interviews. So we conduct special classes for the interview. Next we have is presentation before campus interviews. Like whenever the hotel company comes to the college, they give presentation about their company, whereabouts, the pay packages they are going to offer to the students, and then only they start the process of interviewing the students. Next we have is fast food chain McDonald's. It came last year and it took a lot number of people from our college. Then we have the another training skills that has been given to the students, like conversation with two persons, that helps the students to face the campus interviews. Next we have is how to give interview. This is taken on one-to-one basis. The students get the mock interviews and they get prepared for the final interviews. The another important task of the training placement department is to keep the database of the different companies and the students and to provide the right job to the students. This is an example of the teamwork activities being conducted to build the strength among the students to get the job rightly. So thank you. I'd like to thank again. This was another special training winners that was conducted inside the college. So I would like to thank everybody for giving the chance me to speak about this presentation.
Thank you, sir. So IHM is the, why IHM only? IHM Meerut only the place where your vision, your ideas, your future will be secure because of two reasons. First is IHM Meerut is purely eco-friendly institute, and IHM institute have well equipped practical labs, lecture halls, and well qualified, well experienced faculty. So my subject is bakery and confectionery. As Azhar sir said, IHM based on 4 core areas: food production, housekeeping, front office, and F&B service. So in kitchen, we have 6 kitchens, 5 in kitchen and 6th one is bakery and confectionery. So my subject is bakery and confectionery. In bakery, we have 2 sections. First is bakery, another is confectionery. And in both the sections, we have separate working stations for individual students. So IHM is the different institute. IHM is differ because of IHM have independent or individual working station for each students in kitchen, especially because kitchen is the main area to serve the guest. So in bakery we teach all curriculum as per given by national counseling as, and we give extra skills like as a bread carving, chocolate carving, fruit carving, sugar carving, etc. Because of one reason, not everybody want to work in hotels, in malls, because few students want to run a own business for an entrepreneur. So bakery is a place where you can success as an entrepreneur. As my opinion, as my experience, last year Saurabh Baghel is a student, anomaly student of IHM Meerut, represent India. He represent India last year under world skill set competitions. And for the coming year, we are preparing 2 students, Vikas Sharma and David Shukla, for the coming year. So this is the value, this is the product of IHM Meerut. So I proudly say that I'm a part of the IHM So IHM is not IHM. IHM is a brand. IHM is a logo. So because the IHM, that's why. So my suggestion to all of you, if you are listening, then IHM is the best place to fulfill your visions or your thinking. Thank you.